Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the algorithm of Instagram. So let's begin. First of all, open your Instagram application. So first of all, go to your feeds and watch what type of videos and content that comes. So in my feed, most of them are of sports, basketball and cricket. So if you want to change them, you should search certain keywords related to it and even follow people who are famous related to it. Suppose I want my algorithm to be of beauty products. So I go on the search bar and select things related to beauty products. As you go by these pages, also try to follow them and even like the videos. Watch some of the videos. Continue this process for at least 3 to 4 times and like reads related to it. So after that process, with certain time, your whole algorithm will change and it will be filled up with the things that you just liked and the reels that you watched. So yes, this is the way how you change your algorithm on Instagram. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps.